Namaste to all. Protect the Holy Cow, Say Vedas is a book written by my Guruji, Swami Ram Swarupji Yogacharya. He is a great Vedic scholar and I have learned all of my knowledge from him. Today I'm going to be reading off his book Protect the Holy Cow, Say Vedas. His complete book is also published in his website www.vedmandir.com, so you can also go check it out there. There's an online version of the complete book, so you can go read that book as well. So let's start. Om. The complete book is posted for the benefit of the readers at the instructions of Swami Ram Swarupji. Nowadays, there has been so much controversy with the diverse statements on the protection of the cow. This book will help in establishing clarity as per Vedas on the subject. Forward. Few days back, I suddenly came across the book No Beef in Vedas, wherein a reference about Mr. D.N. Jha's book, The Myth of Holy Cow, was mentioned. I realized that Mr. Jha's book is totally against the eternal voice of God, that is the four Vedas. My heart feeling forced me to write a rejoinder regarding Mr. D.N. Jha's book so that public may know about the fact of Vedas. It will be a personal pleasure if public gains the Vedic knowledge on the matter of sacred cow after studying this book, which I have written with the grace of Almighty God. I bless all those who have helped me to write this book. May God enable us to spread the knowledge of Vedas throughout the world for the benefit of all human beings and to promote international brotherhood. I also bless Mr. Shailesh Garg again and again for a long, happy life. He has contributed to compose his book and prepare it for printing. He has financed to print this book also. Swami Ram Swarupji Yogacharya. So this is a kavita, like a poem. Now I'm going to read it out. He who is not emotional regarding culture sure ruins himself and nation's future. Protect the holy cow, say Vedas. Then where lay obstacles to protect cows? Wake up Indians to follow your culture. Ask Mother Cow, where are my protectors? Swami Ram Swarup. Vedas say that cow is the first creation amongst living beings. God has very beautifully described about process of creation in Mandal 10, Sukta 129 of Rigveda.
Om Nasadasi no sadasi tadanim Nasidrajo no vayo ma paro yat Kimavari vah kuhakasaya Sharmannam bha kimasi dahanam gabiram.
Rigveda Mantra 10 by 129 by 1. Tadenam. Before the creation, when there was period of final destruction, Asat, emptiness, zero, Na, not, Asit, exist. That is, it was the period of final destruction. Therefore, all the Prakriti main matters of the world like sun, water, living beings, bodies, etc. were destroyed. But here the Ved Mantra states that it was not so that there was nothing. Did emptiness exist there? No. Situation of emptiness was not there. Sat, visible matter. Na, not. Asit, was. That is, during that time there were no visible matters present. That is, neither emptiness nor visible matters were there during the period of final destruction. Rajaha, space, na, not, asit, was there. That is, the space, sky, etc. Matters were not there. Paraha vayom, geographical space, i.e., sky, also, na, did not exist. That is, the space geographically enveloping the earth was not also there. Kim, What or how? Avarivaha. Covering matter. To cover any matter could be there. That is, such cover was also not there. For example, a soul will be visible when God provides him body. Body is like a cover. Such cover was also not there. Kuha, where? Kasya, whose? Sharman, to give pleasure. That is, then where and for what? There could be any place to get pleasure. Gahanam, deep, Gabhir, effective for all concerned. Ambha, water. Kim, how. Asit, did exist. This is then how could deep and effective water exist there, which means that water also was not there. Effective water means that all living beings need water to survive and even to grow crops, etc. Therefore, water affects all living beings. Thank you so much for watching this video. Om